guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Block Second Report 2022, 54K NFT contracts have privilege function. Block 6 NFT Go 2022 report to leave 54 NFT contracts allow privilege functions. 61% of NFT projects are over-centralized and 50% are capitalized by one user. Watch trading transaction volume reached 9.8 million ITH or $50.2 billion. Blocksecond and FTGo have published their 2022 NFT security report, which revealed the prominent security risks of the NFT ecosystem. The report focused on off-chain NFT security risks to determine the safety of digital assets stored on the blockchain as well as the on-chain NFT security risks, which mean the risks driven by smart contracts and transactions happening on the blockchains. Moreover, the report displays a systematic study all of the 25 billion NFT transactions that have taken place on the Ethereum blockchain network from July 2015 to August 2022, including 119 NFT contracts and 83 billion issued NFT tokens. The report suggests 5 major observations. Firstly, 1K out of the 84K, 19% of NFT projects have NFT assets that are inscalable, meaning that digital asset tokens worth around 330K either $550 million are the risk of becoming worthless and causing major financial losses to their owners. Next, almost 55% of open source NFT contracts display recently and improper access control issues. In addition, 54 NFT contracts have privilege functions that enable privileged users to operate other user assets without permission. Thirdly, Blocksecond discovered 1,000 shipment transactions involving 75 NFT contracts, and shipment contract is when a tracker mints an NFT to a high-profile person without their permission using privilege function and then transfer the token to a taker account and list in the market. Blocksecond also found that nearly 61% of NFT projects are used under holder pooling risks, which occurs when a few users known as the big whales own maximum tokens in an NFT project. This abnormal on-chain market behavior disrupts and liquidity of the market and its revenues via ownership contracts. Currently, 50% of the tokens in the projects are owned by one user. Lastly, the reports conclude that 43% of the total trading volume on the OpenSea looks rare and X2Y2, reaching 9.8 million ITH or $15 are watch trading transaction. Watch trading is a market manipulation tactic where a user buys and sells the same NFT collection without encountering market risks or changing the trader's market position. The post-Blockchain report 2022 54K NFT contracts have privilege function report first on-chain edition. BTC versus ITH will Ethereum still out from Bitcoin? Crypto expert thinks ITH is still outperforming BTC despite recent declines. BTC is currently trading at $18 down 6%. ITH is currently trading at $100 down 8%. Skullmaker, a cryptocurrency analyst, recently took to Twitter to convey his observation that has seen the number of Bitcoiners celebrating at the recent price falls. However, the Ethereum is still trading at the price that is 50% higher than its 3-month lows. But Bitcoin is only $1,000 higher than how much it was worth in June and only a few percent higher. According to Melker, ITH is still grossly outperforming the leading cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin extended its negative price action over the weekend, with the leading cryptocurrency plummeting to a new 3-month low. At the time of writing, BTC is valued at $18. Bitcoin price has decreased by 5.99% of the previous 24 hours despite a 59% surge in daily trading volume. On the other hand, Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, as measured by the market capitalization, only recently experienced, along with the premise believed technical development that the merge. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.